Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about this little flashlight that packs a big punch. It's the 3-in-1 Fenix E06R Keychain Flashlight. It's the one that you didn't realize that you want until you saw it. Spoiler alert, you're going to want this in your pocket. So let's dive into the details. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we upload. This is the 3-in-1 Fenix E06R Keychain Flashlight. It's so small and light, it won't take any space attached to your keychain. And if you decide to throw it in your pocket, you won't even feel it. With a whopping 10 light modes, it's powerful enough to light up your entire backyard, with up to 700 lumens of output and a beam distance of 120 yards. This is no joke. It has a red laser, which is very helpful if you want to pointing at things or you just want to play around with your cat. And it has a UV light, which is ideal for detecting counterfeit currency, identifying minerals, and inspecting cleanliness, and much more. And the color morphing ring light features circle breathing light. It's the ring light around the main button that can flash in red, blue, and combination of red and blue, or multicolor, making it useful for signaling or creating atmospheric lighting. Whether you're camping, walking your dog, or trying to find something that you drop under the couch, this flashlight got you covered. And now, for the fun part, the beam shots. The high mode is 700 lumen with a 120 yard throw, with a runtime of 1 hour and 20 minutes. The medium mode is 150 lumens with 54 yard throw, with a runtime of 2 hours and 50 minutes. The low mode is 30 lumens with 23 yard throw, with a runtime of 12 hours. The eco mode is 5 lumens, with about 10 yard throw with a runtime of 60 hours. And the RGB ring light is half a lumen, the red is 1 lumen, blue is 1 lumen, and red and blue flashing, it's also 1 lumen. And now let's take a look at what comes in the box. Let's talk about the design. First of all, look at this beauty. Aircraft graded aluminum, and it's just 2.7 inches long and weighs only 1.9 ounces. Make it easy to carry around with you wherever you go. Whether it's in your pocket or using the keychain hole to attach it to your key or gear, you can also use the metal clip to attach it to your belt. It also has a magnetic tail, so you can use it as a hand-free flashlight if you're trying to get some work done at night. Durability? Check. The E06R is impact resisting up to 1 meter. It has an IP66 rating. That means it can handle rain, snow, mud, whatever you throw at it or you throw it into. And hey, it even comes in 2 cool colors, turquoise and gray. For all those style enthusiasts out there, this little guy is rechargeable via USB Type-C, and it's rocking a built-in 750 mAh battery. Take an hour and a half to fully charge, and it'll give you up to 60 hours of run on the eco mode. That's 2.5 days of light on a single charge. And to know the battery level, simply press the main button where the flashlight is off. The ring light will indicate how much juice still left in the battery. It will last 3 seconds. Super simple to use. One hand can control everything. Press and hold the main button for half a second and you will turn it on. When you turn the flashlight on, the ring light will indicate how much juice left in the battery. If you press the main button again, you will cycle through all the output levels. And to turn it off, simply just press the main button again for half a second. Turn on the breathing light, which is the ring light around the main button. Just simply when it's off, double press the main button. The ring is now in RGB color morphing output. And to cycle through all the moods and the colors, just simply press the main button. Red flashing, blue flashing, and red and blue flashing. And to turn it off, just press the main button for half a second. The UV light and the laser light, they have their own color dedicated buttons on the side. The purple one is for the UV light, so press it for half a second and you will turn on the UV light. Press it again for half a second and you will turn it off. And the red one is for the laser, so press it for half a second, you will turn the laser on, and if you want to turn it off, just press it again for half a second. Here's my take on the Fenix E06R Keychain Flashlight. It's compact, rechargeable, and rugged, and crazy bright, which make it perfect to carry it around with you wherever you go. And it's so versatile, it has 10 light modes, which make it a lot of fun for any outdoor activities. Or if you just want to have it around the house. Honestly, if you use it once, it will become your new favorite everyday carry flashlight. That's it for today. If you want to start enjoying your flashlight, then get the Fenix E06R. It's a lot of fun. Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know if you're planning on getting one. Until next time, keep exploring and stay lit.